Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making meat and potato pie, and I decided to be a little bit lazy today, so I just bought the dough and didn't make it. But one of those days I'm going to put a recipe for a quiche where I do make the dough, but not today. So enjoy the recipe. In this video I'm beginning with the meat, but if you feel comfortable with cooking, you can begin with the potato puree, and while it's boiling and getting ready, then you can take care of the meat, but whatever is more comfortable. So in this video I was making the meat for two different dishes. One dish was the Georgian dumplings, khinkali, and the second was this recipe for the meat pie. So in the video I'm adding water, but please, for the meat pie don't add water because it will get soggy unless you evaporate the water on the stove. But in order to avoid it, just don't pay attention to the video where I am adding water, and don't add water, please. Now when working on the dough, when putting it into the form, you need to press the dough to the walls and make holes with a fork on the bottom. And I suggest to put a little bit of breadcrumbs on the floor of the form with the dough, so that the dough would not get soggy if there is any liquids from the meat. But it's optional, so you can do it, or in this recipe I think it would be fine without breadcrumbs. So since the filling of this pie is ready, basically you can eat it, the meat and the puree. We don't need to bake it too long, but we need the dough to bake. So about 15-20 minutes on 190 degrees Celsius, which is 374 Fahrenheit. So 15-20 minutes, and then you take it out, you put the cheese on top and put it for another 15 minutes. Okay, so the pies are ready. This is the beautiful result that we got. Let them about 15 minutes to cool down a little bit before you take them out, because everything is hot and it's better for them to stand 10-15 minutes. Thank you for watching and have a great day.